Dr. Griffin, this piece on the locale trend. Let's do it like this here. Come on.
The NFL Authentic Jersey from Reebok is available in team color, white, and alternate colors for select teams. Authentic jersey fabrics vary by team and can be made of a polyester Pro Bright, metallic, or other authentic material. The authentic jerseys are engineered and constructed to replicate the game day Pro Cut jersey in fabric trims, word marks, team logos, and sleeve art. Embroidered player name and numbers are made of a single or multiple layer of dyed tackle twill and/or fabric. Sleeve stripes, when applicable, are either printed or knit, depending how the team's actual Pro Cut jersey is designed. Each jersey has a fully embroidered NFL equipment patch or insert, along with a Reebok NFL equipment jock tag.